Hi, Chef Daniel Green here with my new iron pan from Gotham Steel. It takes toughness to a whole new level. Iron Pan sears just like any heavy cast iron pan, even though it's only a fraction of the weight. Prepare restaurant quality steaks in seconds. Plus, like other Gotham Steel pans, this one features the brilliant non-stick ceramic and tough titanium that millions of you have loved. It simply won't scratch no matter what you do, and absolutely nothing sticks to it, not even nasty burnt-on cheese. You can literally blow an egg right out the pan. How about this? Cook salmon without any oil or butter. Even add sticky teriyaki sauce and it just slides right out onto the plate. We decided to take things to the next level. Here's my friend Nick to tell us about it.
Thanks, Danny. I'm Nick Bolton. And you see me test all sorts of tactical products. But a pan? I'm skeptical. Here goes nothing. Amazing. Try that with the regular pan. Unlike this one, ours didn't even warp or bend. But how about my sledgehammer challenge? Not even a dent. In fact, this is as strong as a hammer. It literally smashes the competition. Danny, I'm impressed. So I'm gonna say, now that's what I call military tough.
Thanks, Nick. Here's how to get yours.
Act now to get the Iron Pan for just $19.99, and we'll even ship it to you free. It features the quality of a genuine Gotham Steel pan and comes with our 90-day total satisfaction guarantee. But wait, click or call today and you can double your order. Just pay a separate fee. That's 2 Gotham Steel iron pans with free shipping. Here's how to order.